I am going to do a reaction to Hishe's cover of Birds of Prey. Hishe is How It Should Have Ended. I think I've done a few or one How It Should Have Ended before. Yeah, I think so. But I do have a reaction to Honest Trailer's cover of the Birds of Prey movie. You guys can check that out in the description box down below. And without further ado, let's do this reaction.
They say, if you want to tell a story right, you gotta start at the beginning.
Yes.
Or you can just change the ending with
Look
a
at my
video
girl.
about it later on YouTube.
Yep, that's exactly what they did. Oh my gosh, this title is so long. It's just called oh, the Birds of Prey Hishe, exactly.
We lost the diamond.
What?
I'm really sorry, Mr. S. This kid.
We never even got our hands on it.
That's not true.
What?
Shut up. Yes, it is. Don't.
He's
don't
totally
listen to her,
lying.
boss. She's lying.
Yeah, I
No,
mean,
I'm not.
yeah, she could have done that,
but
but
this fool took it from me 'cause
I
he
don't
didn't
really
trust me
agree,
carrying
Hishe.
it. Then he got himself
Black
pickpocketed by
Mask
a
wouldn't
little
have
kid.
No, I
believed him
didn't.
because
Shut up.
he believed her because he's in
Victor,
love
why would
with
you do that?
Victor's
Why would you
ass.
lie to me? I'm going to have to ask you to cut your own face off now.
Yep,
But I
that's
don't
what
want
he
to.
probably would have said
I'm sorry, buddy. But you don't have a choice.
if he didn't believe him. But I think he would. I think he would.
Harley Quinn! She's using non-lethal glitter balls! Hey, stop right there!
Harley Quinn's taking us out one by one!
Look at the guy's face. Yeah, that's right. Team up on her, stupid. Yeah, she's just one person. Come on.
We let you know
They do
Harley
this
Quinn
with every villain.
No, we'll give you lots and lots of money.
Yes. No.
Okay, I guess we'll just go ask someone else, kid.
Well, in the movie he did say
let's go bring
yes,
back
and
Harley
it
Quinn
makes
and that
sense. He's
diamond
not that
kid
great
from
of
the
a father
funhouse.
figure
Just
as she
gonna put
thought.
the phone in my pockets. No private text messages jump out in the open while we drive.
Yes. You didn't think about that. That didn't come to. It didn't. It didn't come to mind.
You don't think you can stand on your own, Quinn?
Oh, she could absolutely stand on her own. How dare you? She is Harley freaking
I'm the
Quinn.
one they should be scared
You
of.
tell her. You tell him, honey. You tell him.
Not Mr. Jet.
I should say.
Because I'm Harley.
No, because I'm Batman.
Batch Black is here.
Come on! Let me go!
Oh, that's
You're
funny.
supposed to be Batgirl. What is that?
Oops.
You obviously have a lot to learn.
Son of a
Yep.
crap nugget.
Because
Honey,
she
what
will
happened?
become a
Batman
version
just
of
swooped in
Batgirl,
and took
basically.
Everything.
Oh, come on! Are you serious?
Well, this is Gotham City. He was bound to show up sooner or later.
True.
Really thought this time was gonna be different. Not the usual same old song and dance.
Yeah.
Oh
I mean, it was different in a sense, though.
no. You look different.
I know.
You look good.
Want to get out of here?
He does
Get into
look
some
good.
trouble?
I don't need you. Haven't you been paying attention? I'm girls now.
Yeah,
Exactly.
screw you, clown.
Whatever. I don't care. See ya.
Oh, he's so mysterious in that rebel without a cause sort of way. I just can't resist it. Wait for me.
Harley, no!
Yeah, don't be stupid. I'm sorry, girls. He just looks like
If
what I
you
wanted the first
if you
time.
guys haven't seen the Harley Quinn animation yet, the way she moves on is so good in that one.
So did I.
Exactly.
Oh, I'd never do that to my snookles. Besides,
I mean, you don't have to shoot him in the balls for that, though. Was John Bailey in this one? Oh, I missed it.
You ladies have a cafe too. That's cool.
Yup.
So anyways, your friend pooped out this diamond and said it belonged to you. So I thought I'd bring it over because, well,
Because you're Batman?
I was gonna say because it's gross and I don't want a nasty poop diamond. But sure, I am also Batman. I would wash that if I were you.
Thanks.
So,
Exactly.
Your rich parents were
It
killed.
was inside.
And now
It
you
was
channel that rage to fight crime.
inside poop.
I know what that's like. You wanna know my secret identity?
Do you know who I am?
I'm saying to you, wanna know who
She's
I
a crossbow killer.
Okay, so cops in Gotham don't like you either. Do you wanna know my secret?
Barking up the wrong tree there, Batboy.
Oh, okay.
Exactly.
So,
You don't want to mess with that
you have
detective.
Supersonic voice powers.
She's the question.
I can make my voice sound different with technology.
2.0.
Do you wanna know?
Dude, you should know better, man. She gets that from her mom.
So you struck out? What?
Yep. Oh, wait, what was that? What was that? Explain yourself, Hishe. He did that so fast, I don't even know who that was. Or is. Ah, darn it. I have to watch it again. Okay. If you haven't seen the Harley Quinn animation with Kaylee Cuoco, I think I pronounced her name right. Maybe if I haven't, I apologize. If you haven't seen that one yet, where she voices Harley Quinn, she's so good in that, man. Like, her relationship with Ivy, with Poison Ivy is just, it's fantastic. King Shark is in it, Clayface is in it. Dude, even Dr. Psycho is in it. It's one of my favorite animations, like, ever. And I can't wait for season 3. I hope Margot Robbie gets another chance at the character. I think she's gonna get another chance in James Gunn's version of the Suicide Squad. I hope she kills it in that as well. This movie didn't do that well at the box office, and with critics as well, but I hope she gets another chance, you know, because she's so good at playing Harley Quinn, man. Like, if you haven't ever seen her as Harley Quinn, like, check her out. She's really good. Also a star of the Big Bang Theory, Melissa Rauch. Hopefully I pronounced her name right. Again, if I haven't, I apologize. She also voiced the Harley Quinn character, and she was so good in that, man. Like, I think the animation is called Batman and Harley Quinn. I think it's called something like that. And I would love for them to do like an Avengers knockoff portal scene or some alternate universe thing where you just see different Harley Quinn, and that Kaylee Cuoco and Melissa Rauch are two of them siding with Margot Robbie's version. That would just be awesome. Guys, if you like this reaction, like, share, and subscribe. Tell me what you thought about this in the comment section. Tell me what you thought about the movie. And if you are gonna check out the Harley Quinn animation that I just spoke about, maybe you have already seen it. Tell me what you thought about it. Is it one of your faves? And I will see you very, very soon. Bye.